The third major snowstorm of the year. As you can see, we still got a lot from that other storm.
About moderate snow right now.
Let's take a walk out here. Because we will be making updates throughout the night.
I've been another 4 to 18 inches after 3 feet of snow. Friday to Saturday.
You are again. Round 3. And as you can see, the stuff's laying on the already fallen snow from 3 days ago. And we're back at our special spot, the Inverness Center. And Russell's in the alley. We're waiting for our snowball battle to begin. 3 days ago, in this very spot, it was like 2 feet, which is about, I bet that's still, but it's going to get worse before the night's over. See on the street there that it's gotten a lot worse. We just got that open. Now it's all messed up again. But this is how bad this is. Storm number 3. Anthony? Don't video me. Oh, shut up. Ah! Don't do that, please. Royal Rumble time. Ah! Royal Rumble time.
Neil thinks it's slick.
No, no,
behind us.
Already
begun. I don't either. You can't run that fast.
Oh. Yeah. When did it close?
Until the 11, but how much longer are they going to be open with the snow? They'll definitely be open until 9. The guy lives right upstairs.
The tractor runs the place.
Yeah.
Well, we'll be back with more updates throughout the evening.
I should have bums sleeping there.
He ain't sleeping in there now, I bet.
Yeah, right.
People burnt down his shit anyway.
Old block. Somewhere down there.
Warning and everything.
About 8 to 10 inches on the ground already, on top of everything else. And come down here. We were out here Saturday. It all got dug out, and here we are back at it again. Yeah, this drift here is a good foot or so. Unbelievable. And we're getting another storm Monday. So the winter of 10 is not over yet. Just refusing to give up. Yeah. Got anything to say? Yeah. Sure. Man. Got anything to say?
Welcome to Baltimore and Dundalk. Hey, look, Alaska don't even got this. The Olympics ain't even got this. Bring the Olympics to Baltimore. Have it all to yourself.
Yeah, we've got close to 3.5 feet on the ground now. Hey, New York, you guys ain't got nothing up there. What's up with that?
Oh, you've got 4 inches over there in the front with me too. That's my phone telling me New York got a half an inch.
You're gonna go right into the trash can.
Let me get out of the way here.
Or it's gonna go backwards.
Russ, I wouldn't do that much more.
Y'all crazy.
I can't even make it to the rain.
5:30 in the evening, and as you can see, it's still coming down. Not as heavy as it was earlier today, but still pretty heavy. Look at this drift here. This thing's about 4 feet at least. It'll be a while before them squirrels will be coming up in here. This looks like a desert. A snow desert. Our third snowstorm like this of the year. Incredible. Unbelievable. Look at this. See that path up there, which was done, is now gone. Looks like most of the paths here are gone. I did it earlier. Forget about it.